All right, guys, we've got the Brewin 15-piece kitchen knife set. I already got it set up right here. You have a nice knife block where all the knives and scissors go. And what I'm gonna do is go over every knife just to show you each one individually. But straight up, the yellow and black design, there's something about it. It's got kind of like a matte black. It's not shiny black, it's like a matte black. Something about matte black that I always like. But that orange accent is just very cool, and I think it's gonna add a vibe in anyone's kitchen. So first of all, we have the steak knives here, and you can see they even put the name of it on there, so you can tell if you're like me and you don't know what knife's what. This will tell you. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steak knives, and you can tell these things are sharp. But I'm gonna tell you why that doesn't matter here in a second. So we have the kitchen scissors. These things are high quality. These are gonna do the trick. You can take them apart if you need to put them in the dishwasher. We've got the 3.5-inch paring knife right there. We've got the utility knife that you can use for a lot of different scenarios. We've got our bread knife right there, so that's gonna be nice and sharp for your loaf. We've got the 8-inch slicing knife. We've got the 8-inch chef knife that you're gonna use a lot. And then we have my favorite knife, just because there's something about these that I think is cool, the 7-inch Santoku knife. So you got all these, they have really great handles. There's like this is like kind of like a hard plasticky feeling thing. And then this is like a hard rubber. So it sits in your hand really well. It's gonna keep you safe as well. But the last thing I wanna show you is if any of these knives are very sharp, but if any of them go dull, you have the sharpener right here. So you've got that built right into the knife block. I think this is a must buy, and I think you must buy it.